Hey everybody, this is our 1969 Stingray Corvette. Numbers match 350, 300 horse, 4-speed M21. This car is 79,900 miles. It is the original motor and transmission. Runs and drives excellent. It's got gorgeous rally red paint. Headlights and wiper doors do work. Super sweet car. T-top car, removable back glass, power steering, power disc brakes, AM, FM, tacking gauges, super nice inside now. Black comfort weave interior with the headrest. Really good car. Quiet, beautiful exhaust. Comes through the back tail panels. Power steering, 4-wheel power disc brakes. Brand new BGG radial tires. The radial TAs. Mirrors on both sides. Again, it is a numbers matching 79,000 mile car. The reflection does great. Check us out at redlinemusclecars.com or redlineautosports.com. Call or text Fred at 580-221-4326. We're located in Wilson, Oklahoma. Come to the country and save yourself some money. Y'all have a blessed day.